manufacturing process of making 2 start of 20 ton per day flake ice machines. This is the video to show the number 1 step, assembling the compressor. Bitzer screw compressor, 100 horsepower for each 20 ton per day flake ice machine. This is the number 2 step, assembling the evaporator. We are putting the evaporator on the steel frame. Then we will collect all the pipe, and basically the flake ice system will be complete. Now all the pipes for these 2 start of 20 ton per day flake ice machines are already collected well. My workers have already done the gas leaking test for all the pipes. They have vacuumed the system. Then they will charge the refrigerant into the system. Tomorrow we're going to run the machine, and I was going to make a video to show the working performance of these 2 start of 20 ton per day flake ice machines. Right now I'm standing on the top of one of the 2 start of 20 ton per day flake ice machine. They are all complete now, and we're testing the machine. Luckily for us, we have a side hole here, so we can check into the drum from this hole, and clearly we can see the inside. Water is going down along the inner wall of the evaporator. Some of the water got frozen. Yeah, water is going down like this. Some of the water is frozen. The frozen water will form an ice layer. Then this ice plate will crush them into ice flakes and remove them from the inner wall. The circulation will repeat itself again and again, like this. Another ice layer. The ice plate is coming. Yeah.